In this video, you are going to see how to draw a border around a text box in Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, let's get started. We can apply two tricks. Let us select the text. Go to Home, go to this option, Borders, then go to Borders and Shading. Click on Borders and here choose Box, and you can choose the border type. Let us choose this one. You can change the color of your choice. You can even change the white from here. Now click on OK. Then the border will be added. There is another method. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Now go to Shape Format, go to Shape Fill, make it No Fill. Go to Shape Outline. You can choose the outline color of your choice. And if you want to increase the border, click on the shape, go to Shape Outline, go to Wide. You can increase the border from here. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.